6th standard Science Unit 2 Electricity. In this class we are going to study about the electricity. So what is the meaning of electricity? Electricity is a form of energy that from the charged particles. What are the charged particles? It may be electrons or protons. In the previous class, in the previous lesson, we have studied the heat. Heat is also a form of energy from the various sources. In this class, this is electricity. Electricity is also a form of energy that comes from the charged particles. It may be protons or electrons. First question: how do we get electricity in our house? From the electric board. But we don't know the process involved in the electric power station and then how it starts and how it works. First one, sources of electricity. Before we start this lesson, if you ask your grandparents or your grandfather, they will share their electricity. What are they? They use the oil lamps for their electricity and then cook by the fires. Nowadays we have a lot of sources for electricity. First topic is sources of electricity. What are the sources of electricity? What are the sources which gives the electricity is a source of electricity. Any device from which electricity is produced is called the sources of electricity. This is a definition for source of electricity. Any device from which electricity is produced is called the sources of electricity. Let's see some major electric power stations. First one, thermal power station, hydro power station, atomic power station, windmills. First one, thermal power station. Inside the thermal power station, we may see the heat energy or the thermal energy. We may call as a heat energy as well as a thermal energy. Thermal energy is produced by a burning or a fuel. By this fuel, we get a steam. Due to the steam, the turbine is rotated. Turbine is also a machine which is used to convert the steam. That is the kinetic or potential energy is converted into a mechanical energy. Due to this rotation of turbine, the two electromagnets are rotated with the help of electric wires. From this, electricity is produced. This is a process of electric energy is converted into heat energy is converted into electrical energy. Second one, hydro power station. Hydro power stations. By the flow of water from the dams, the electrical energy is produced. By the flow of water from the dams, the turbine is also rotated inside this station. The kinetic energy is converted into the electrical energy. Third one, atomic power station. In this power station, the nuclear energy is used to boil the water. From this boil, we get the steam. By this steam, the turbines is rotated. That is the nuclear energy is converted into the mechanical energy. Then mechanical energy is converted into the electrical energy. So this is the process of atomic power stations. Fourth one, windmills. Wind energy is used to rotate the turbine, which is convert the kinetic energy into the electrical energy. So wind energy is used to produce the electricity in this windmills. So these are the four electric power stations: thermal power stations, hydro power stations, atomic power station, windmills. Next one, cell. What is cell? Cell is Tamil enna solvom, minkal enna solvom. Is a cell, device that converts a chemical energy into the electrical energy. Here, there are two steel plates are used in this cell. There is we can see the chemicals inside the cell. These two steels act as the electrode. This electrode, the one end produces the positive energy and then another end produces the negative energy. Due to this positive and electric charges, we can see that we will receive the continuous flow of electric current. So that is a device that converts chemical energy into electrical energy. That is a cell. Next one, there are two size. You may see in the small size. These cells are used in the clocks, watches and toys. These are the examples for the primary cells. Primary cells we can use inside the clocks, watches and toys. Next one, secondary cells. Secondary cells, a cell that can be recharged. So there is a two difference between the primary and secondary. First one, it can be recharged. It cannot be recharged. The secondary cells can be recharged many times. Recharged by passing electric currents. This specifically, this cells can be recharged by the passing electric currents. Next one, it can be small or large even. We can see the small size of cells inside the mobile phone and the large size in the automobiles, used in automobiles, cars, buses, etc. Next one, these are the examples for the secondary cells: mobile phones, laptops and vehicle batteries. Next one, battery. Cells na mingala nu solluvom, battery na mingala adukku. Is a collection of cells. We can call it as a cells as a batteries. Next one, battery is a collection of cells. Battery is a collection of cells. Third one, a cell is a single unit. You know that a cell is a single unit that converts chemical energy into the electrical energy. This chemical solution converts the particles inside into the electrical energy. So this is the lesson. In the next class, we will see the different types of electric circuits and then another uses of the